Hi, I'm Michael Hackard, founder of Hackard Law. Real estate is often the crown jewel of an estate, and also its greatest source of conflict. Whether it's a family home, a rental property, or commercial real estate, property disputes are among the most emotional and legally complex battles we handle in trust and estate litigation, especially here in California. Today, I'll walk you through how these real estate battles unfold and what you can do to protect your interests. Let's start with partition actions. When multiple beneficiaries inherit a property, things can get tense. One wants to sell, another wants to keep it. Maybe no one agrees on what it's worth. That's where partition comes in. In California, any co-owner of real property generally has the right to force a division or sale, even if the others object. If the property can't be fairly split, the court will order it sold and the proceeds divided. But in trust cases, courts balance that right with the trustee's duty to follow the trust's terms. So if the trust says, hold the property until a certain date, the trustee may be required to wait. Partition isn't automatic when trusts are involved. Now let's talk about eviction battles. Another common problem. We often see a situation where a sibling, a tenant, or even a caregiver is living in the house and won't leave after the trust says it must be sold. Trustees have a few legal tools: unlawful detainer for quick eviction, civil ejectment for disputes over occupancy rights, and probate code harboring 50 petitions to recover wrongfully held trust property. Choosing the right method matters. Trustees who take shortcuts, like changing the locks, risk legal trouble, and occupants who assert bogus rights can delay the process, but not stop it entirely. Next up, contested property sales in probate and trust administration. Let's say a trustee wants to sell a house, but a beneficiary says the price is too low or that they were promised the house. Disputes like this are common, especially when the home carries sentimental value. In probate estates, the law provides two tracks: full authority and limited authority. With full authority, an executor can give notice of the sale and proceed if no one objects within 15 days. But if an objection is filed, a court confirmation hearing is required. In trust cases, it's more flexible. Trustees aren't always required to give notice, but they often do, using a notice of proposed action. If no objections are made within 45 days, the trustee is generally protected from liability. But if someone objects or accuses the trustee of self-dealing or mismanagement, the dispute heads to court. Which brings us to an important point. Trustees must always act in the best interest of all beneficiaries. That means getting appraisals, avoiding insider deals, and being transparent about offers and negotiations. Failure to do so can result in surcharge liability, where the trustee is held financially accountable or even removal. Here in Sacramento County, probate judges deal with these real estate conflicts regularly. The dockets are crowded, so judges encourage trustees and beneficiaries to work things out through mediation or family settlement agreements. But when that doesn't work, they're prepared to step in. They'll ask, was notice properly given? Were all parties informed? Was the sale fair and in line with the trust or will? If not, the court may stop the sale or order compensation. So, what's the bottom line? Real estate disputes in trusts and estates are messy, but manageable. At Hackard Law, we help clients navigate partition lawsuits, evict holdover occupants the right way, challenge or defend trustee real estate decisions, and protect family property from being sold out from under them. We know the law, we know the local rules, and we know what's at stake, both financially and emotionally. If you're dealing with a real estate conflict in a trust or estate matter, don't wait until it explodes into full litigation. Get clarity, get representation, and get a plan. I'm Michael Hackard. Thanks for watching. And if you need help, we're here for you.